G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey look, just a quick one today. Today's Wednesday, and on Saturday we're leaving for another 2-week trip. We were supposed to be going to the Flinders, but that one has been postponed due to the weather over there at the moment. So they've had a heap of rain, roads closed, flooding and that sort of stuff. So we've decided to head down south to Victoria. So I thought I'd just show you what is happening. So bike's all ready to go. Put a new back tyre on the bike. So heading out today to scrub that in. Still got the little knobs on it. Yesterday I put some new brake pads on the rear, and yeah, I thought I would just show you what I'm actually packing to go on the trip. So all I'm taking is, if you look in my normal bag I have on the back of the bike, so I've got tent, my sleep system, pillow, and what else have I got in there? I've got the chair, Helinox chair. On top I've got the ground sheet, and I've got the Crocs. What else am I taking? So clothes in here, socks, jocks, shirts. On the longer trips I like to take the my toolkit. So tools are in there, and I've actually reduced that down a little bit. Taking a saw for camping. Got all my toiletries in this one. Got the ensuite, my food bag, so I've got a couple of days food in there, as well as my cooking system as well. I've got one drone in there and a new drone in here. I've got all my electronics in here, so charging stuff. Got a big charging thing in there, cables, extra GoPro stuff in there. The GoPro I'm using, I've got to get another remote. The other one exploded on me, so I've got to get another remote, and my second GoPro, and some bug spray. And I've also got, I think it must be inside still, I'll be taking 2 litres of water. So that's all I'm taking on the trip. So that's about it. So like I said, a couple of days and we shall be off. So for those who haven't seen my bike set up before, most of that stuff will be going in the panniers. The grey bag will be going on the back seat there. My new little drone will be up here where it's easy to get to. So that's about it. So look, hopefully you'll enjoy the series. I'll be doing another probably 3 or 4 part series when we get back after the trip. All right, ride safe. See yous.